If you like curly hair like me, this video will help you a lot to curl your hair at home, only with elastic. So let's start. Twist your hair like me and then tie it with elastic. Repeat with me. So easy. Step 2. You can also keep these caches on your head for a few hours. And if you are in a hurry like me, you can use a spray. Either way, your hair will curl. If you are without spray, wait 2 to 3 hours. And if you use a spray, 5 minutes is enough. Let's see the result. My hair is really curly and I like it very much. I think you should try it too. An interesting experience. You can save the video and watch it whenever you need. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. I suggest you watch this video. We are human with any race.
Stop racism. We are beautiful.